Hi friends, welcome to Tech with VI. This is the part 7th of learning HTML. In previous video I have discussed about fonts. In this video I am going to discuss about Q tag, abbr tag and dfn tag. Without much ado, let's get into the video. I am opening VS Code.
Circle main.html dash.
I have saved the file and generated the boilerplate here. I am in body tag.
Less body greater blank.
Now I have created here one blank line. First I am opening Q tag.
Q. Suggest list Q comma property level 1.
I got the Q tag. Here I am pressing enter.
Main.ht greater less.
Before closing Q tag, here I am writing some text.
M suggest N space main C suggest N space B E unknown space D E del S main T R O Y E D destroyed space B suggest T T space N set T not D suggest list E level F main E A T E D.
Okay friends, here I have written before after closing the Q tag
Slash less slash Q greater.
Here I am writing a BR tag.
Line feed. B suggest R BR comma main.html editor as auto.
Let's understand the code.
Less.
This is the opening tag less than Q greater. After that here I have written one quotation.
Men can be destroyed but not defeated.
After writing the quotation I have closed the Q tag and I have applied BR tag.
E F E A T E D less
slash Q
greater.
And here I have applied BR tag.
Less B R greater.
Let's run this code.
Menu. Stop live open with main.html editor as autocomplete multi-line less Q greater men can be destroyed but not defeated less slash Q greater less BR greater in hello world dash Google Chrome window hello world left quote men can be destroyed but not defeated right quote.
Friends, this code, this quotation has applied between the inverted commas.
Left quote men can be destroyed but not defeated right quote.
Let's check the formatting of this quotation.
Times New Roman 12 PT black on white line left.
Okay friends, in this text there is no formatting as applied. Default formatting is there here. Let's understand abbr tag.
Main.ht.
Friends, abbr tag means abbreviation tag. If you want to describe any abbreviation of the anything, that time we are using abbreviation.
Less slash body greater. Less.
Here I am using abbreviation.
Blank.
Here I am opening abbr tag.
A suggest list a comma property level B abbr comma property level 1.
Okay, I got the abbr tag. Here I am pressing enter.
Main.ht greater. Quote. Great less.
Before closing the abbr tag, here I am writing some text.
C M D D space S such A let me N D S stands space F O such let R space me C O code comma prop M M command A N D and space me E such O level 1 M main.ate prompt space less space.
Okay friends, here I have written. Let's understand the code.
Less.
This is the opening tag less than A double BR
Alpha B B R
greater
Romeo space.
Friends, here automatically VS Code has given me one attribute called title. In abbr we have an attribute called title. By using a title attribute, we can define any shortcut key commands by using title. This is the title attribute
R
abbr.
Romeo.
After writing abbr, here I have used the attribute called title.
Space T I T L E.
This is the attribute
equals quote.
Between the inverted commas, here I am giving the value
T list of space O P E N open space C M D D space main.html S I htr C H search space C M D D space main.htI N space Y U R your space P list C main.html editor as autocomplete.
Okay friends, between the quotations I have written value here. After that greater than sign.
C quote greater.
Before closing the abbr tag, here I have written some text.
CMD stands for command prompt less slash.
Now I am closing the abbr tag.
E less
slash abbr
A B B R greater.
After that I am using br tag less than
line feed.
Now here I am using br tag.
B suggest list level R BR comma prop main.html editor as autocomplete.
Okay friends, let's check the output.
Hello world that Hello world. Left quote man. CMD stands for command prompt.
Friends, by using title attribute, what shortcut command I have written, that command we won't get in browser. But in here what I have written,
Left quote man. CMD stands for command prompt.
CMD stands for command prompt. Here I have written. Let's check the formatting of this text.
Times New Roman 12 PT black on white underline the line left.
This text has applied underline.
Type unknown formatting. Black on white 12 times New Roman 12 PT black on white underline the line left. Hello.
Friends, if you want to see any text in browser, this text has applied nothing, but in formatting there is a difference.
Left quote man can be destroyed but not.
Here I have written the quotation. This quotation has applied default formatting, but
CMD stands for command prompt.
this second text has applied different formatting. Let's understand about pre-tag.
Main.html dash main.html.
Friends, pre-tag means pre-formatting. If I am writing hello world in VS Code, in hello world there is no change. How I am writing in VS Code, that I am getting in browser also.
Less slash body greater. Less. Lang.
Here I am using pre-tag.
P suggest list P comma property level 1. Param cop pic cop picture cop plain text portal cop pre comma property level 1.
I got the pre-tag. I am pressing enter here.
Main.8 greater less.
Here I am writing this is page.
T A sir is space A space main P suggest list G E main dot page space selected B R B page less B R mix greater main.html editor as.
Okay friends, let's check the formatting of this. Let's understand the code first. Less PRE. This is the tag.
Greater.
After that here I have written this is page.
This is a page.
After that I have closed the pre-tag.
Less
slash
B Bravo R greater.
Okay, sorry, here I have written BR tag. Less slash PRE
greater.
This is the pre-tag. Let's run this code and check what formatting has applied this pre-tag.
Hello world dash Google Chrome wins. This is a page.
Let's check the formatting.
Console is 10 PT black on white line left.
Okay friends, in formatting there is a difference.
Console is 10 PT unknown format separator align left black 10 P console is.
Okay friends, in formatting type as console.
10 PT.
In pixel also there is a difference, 10 pt.
Black on white.
Color is by default.
Align left.
Alignment is also by default. In pre-formatting friends, what text we are writing in the code editor, that text we are getting in Google Chrome.
CMD stands for.
Let's understand about DFN.
Hello world dash Google Chrome main.html dash less slash body greater less. Lang.
Here I am opening DFN tag.
DFN comma property level 1.
I got the DFN tag. I am pressing enter.
Main.html greater less.
Here I am typing
D suggest space main.html space D set space main.s set space main.html space main.html s t a main.n ds space o suggest r space main.d suggest list t a ta space main.hs t sr stu main.hc t-u-r-e structure space a lit l main.g o r-i-t-h m algorithm space less space.
I am saving this. Let's check the output.
Hello world dash. This is a page. DSA stands for data structure algorithm.
Here I have written DSA stands for data structure and algorithm. Here I have defined by using DFN tag in HTML.
This is a DSA stands for data structure algorithm.
Let's check the formatting of this text.
Times New Roman 12 PT black on white italic align left. Type unknown format.
Friends, this text has applied italic.
12 P times New Roman.
Before what text I have written that applied underlined, this text has applied italic.
Times New Roman.
Times is New Roman.
12 PT.
Pixel is by default.
Black on white.
Color is also by default.
Italic.
This text has applied italic.
Align left.
Alignment is left.
Hello world main.html.
Okay friends, in this video I have discussed how to use abbr tag, kbd tag, pre tag and dfn tag. If you have understood this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Till then, keep learning and keep coding.
Hello.
Yeah.